It's been blowing more than 30 knots for the past 2 days, so we didn't really do much for the past 48 hours. We just did some editing and watched a lot of movies, but it's finally calmed down now, and I would like to think that it's a little bit warmer than last week. So today we're going to go on a little bit of exploration.
It's also Brandy's birthday today, so we're sailorizing some birthday hats out of some waterproof charts and a little paracord. It's gonna be awesome. These are pretty old charts from like the Northeast. I don't think they're very accurate anymore, so we're repurposing them into birthday hats.
This is gonna be fun. Happy birthday, Brandy!
This just got so much better. So today might be one of the first warm days we've had in the Bahamas since we got here, and it's Brandy's birthday, so we're just hanging out on the beach and enjoying this beautiful water. It's quite nice. Those are our boats over there. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out and enjoy this fantastically turquoise water today. How are you guys doing?
Hi, we're good.
Awesome.
We're good.
Waiting for
Beau to get his butt out here.
Beau.
yeah, to see my boat.
It's a nice little beach we're on though.
Yeah.
I've never seen
Brandy
them do
doesn't
that.
know what to do.
They're still there. Do you want to go see if we can find them?
Yes!
Let's do it.
Like, best birthday ever.
So we're going to go and attempt to find the dolphins.
At least they're rounded. My heart jumping out of my face? Yes.
Heart jumping out of your face.
This is, yes.
We're going scouting.
I'm freezing.
It's beautiful out here, man.
It's so beautiful. I finally feel like I'm actually in the Bahamas now. The water is extremely blue and extremely clear, and it's really warm finally. The water is still cold, but it's beautiful here. We're about to go to Wilkie and try to find some lobsters and maybe make a bonfire and just have fun at the beach.
Hey guys!
Alrighty. Oh, this looks nice. Look at that beach.
Check out my tail. Ah, shake it.
Take your tail feathers.
Should we make a little fire? Because
do
you
that.
guys look a tad frosty.
I cannot feel my hands.
Brandy's like shaking.
Yeah, you are too.
Yeah.
What about over there? That looks like a nice little spot for a fire. Look how cute he is.
Where are you gonna put it?
I don't know. Yet. It's a really warm fire. I kind of want a little more coals and a little less heat. But...
We're good.
Woo! There's so many mosquitoes out here that I feel like we just have the fire running just to protect ourselves from the mosquitoes.
They're really good at putting holes in your feet.
I love that we're all suffering through the bugs just to eat one lobster. The one communal lobster.
There's no wind, so the Noceum, there's no smoke to stand in. The
Just-
Noceums are like...
Is it ready?
I think he's gonna be good. Oh yeah.
I'm literally getting a sunburn. Look at how red my leg is. Thank you.
Happy birthday! Cheers!
How is it?
It's good.
It's good, I might die.
Well, that's good.
You know, we
Yeah.
probably could have done it that way too, right? Is that gonna work, or is my stick gonna burn? More of an experiment for future reference. Like lobster marshmallow?
Yeah, I think that would have worked. You just put a stick through the tail.
Oh no! Like go rinse it.
I didn't really think that through, did I? Rinse the sand off my chunk of lobster.
Good as new.
Delicious though. Dinner's over. Moving on.
It's either we were getting burnt by the fire or we're getting attacked by bugs. So now that we're done eating, I think we're going to run back into dinghies.
We'll go around the corner and see if we can't find something for dinner.
Yeah, I think we should maybe give us maybe an hour or two, and
that
then
way we won't be coming back at night, but we might be coming back with food.
it's a really, really beautiful spot. But I feel like the Noceans are out here because one, the sargassum, and two, because it's about sunset.
There's no wind either.
And there's no wind, yeah, so they just attack as soon as you land on the beach.
Yeah, they're like tracking us. Having all the hood and everything, it's so nice. All right.
Brandy and I are just hanging out on our dinghies while Beau and Dan are out catching lobster or fish. It doesn't start. Well, luckily I'm not drifting towards a rock. I'm just going to be hanging around and waiting for them to come back.
So fucking tired of this thing.
Okay, well, this is the last part of the birthday night, I think, right?
Oh, we don't have our hats on.
Oh, we forgot the hats!
Here we've got the one.
We rinsed them.
You rinsed them.
We were so ready for the hats and we forgot. Oh, yeah, the birthday girl has to.
Oops.
Hats. Everything's gonna be good.
Your
Maybe not.
your LED lights in this boat are tripping the camera out.
By the way, Brandy and Beau, they don't drink, so most of the
Has been
time we
sober,
hang
yeah.
out, it's all sober. So we're just crazy people
Or
by
just
nature.
naturally drunk
Exactly.
on life.
So somebody went and got some special stuff.
Put them little.
It's like, where does it go
Forgotten
again?
how to do it.
These are very improvised birthday hats.
I love them. They're like my favorite birthday hats ever. Yeah, because they're made with love
That's right.
and chart papers.
And if you ever get lost, you'll know your way around
Yeah.
like Buzzard's Bay or something like that.
I have the West Passing. It's like still wet and
I
drippy.
know, right?
They're very well.
Sexy, sexy.
This is going to be Brandy's birthday cake right there.
Brandy
I
says,
like that.
I want lobster for dinner for my
I want
birthday.
lobster for my
Which
birthday.
took us all day to get it.
Yeah.
We're making it happen though.
Yes.
Birthday goals. Yes.
Hashtag squad goals.
There you go, madam. It's your turn.
Alright. Chef Boyardee just finished the salad and now it's my turn to making into a cake. Cover your eyes, close your ears for a second. By the way, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You need to blow the candle.
Blow it out and make a wish.
You ready? I feel like it might be a trick candle.
Yay!
Now, should I put it in a bowl and mix everything together?
Yeah. You want to shut our camera off?
Yeah.